If you're on LinkedIn, if you're on Instagram, if you're anywhere near the AI world, you might have heard a lot of buzzwords like Agentic AI and LLMs and RAGs and whatnot, but no one exactly knows what they all are, right? So let's start with something called Agentic AI. Agentic AI, you might have been hearing every single place on LinkedIn, every single place there's a startup, every single place someone wants to get into AI in the business world, they mention Agentic AI. But what exactly is agentic AI? How is it different from normal AI? Well, the basis of it all is that you have a basic tool like ChatGPT. That's AI. You ask it a question, it'll give you an answer. You ask ChatGPT to make you an omelette, it can't do that. It can tell you how to make an omelette, but it can't make it for you. The whole concept behind agentic AI was, what if ChatGPT could make the omelette for you? So if you're trying to translate that into more of a technical talk, I would say that agentic AI essentially means leveraging traditional AI into more complex workflows. A very popular business example of this is how people use LLMs in business operations. For example, quality assurance. So you traditionally have human quality assurance engineers who sit and they validate a piece of work, right? Now, of course, you can't exactly give that piece of work to ChatGPT and say, validate this for me. You can't do that. What you can do is use the basic architecture that ChatGPT uses and integrate that into a system with a couple of other helper functions and a couple of other tools that create a stack that now enable that specific tool to do all of this work for you. It transforms human work into autonomous work utilizing existing AI applications. That's the basis of agentic AI on the very, very surface level, and hopefully you understood a good deal about it.